These are the systems that you need to multiply your business 10 times.
We're the people's wholesalers. We're here for the people.
They want to sell their houses, and that's a great way for you to practice.
They pretty much broke down the business step by step, piece by piece. I highly recommend it.
For the amount of money that we paid for it, not even close to what we got today.
They've gone through the trials and tribulations of everything, and to give you the gift of everything they gave you in one full day in a way that you can actually leave and know what to do with it, it's just, there's no price you can put on that.
They gave us everything, literally, documents, steps, scripts.
To open up their whole business and all of their systems and processes.
Jam-packed full of information. Feel like my head was ready to explode like several times.
There's no limit to what we can do.